Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So this is the first lesson video for Goethe exam part writing. So we're going to look at three letters that will help you to practice your A1 exam and A's in Schreiben part. So there are three letters that I have planned to discuss today. We're going to go through every letter one by one and we'll see how you can write a good response in order to gain good marks in your Schreiben part. Now let's get started with the first one. The first one is Du machst eine Geburtstagsparty. Schreib eine E-Mail an deinen Freund Max. You have a birthday party, write an email to your friend Max. Now, these three things are very important because they will help you to write your email. Okay, so these questions must be answered while writing your email. So, the first one is wann und wo ist die Party? When and where is the party? Was gibt es zu essen oder trinken? What there is to. Zu is to, right? To eat or to drink. Essen, trinken. To eat, essen, trinken, to drink. Was soll Max mitbringen? So what should, soll is should. This is the modal verb. Sollen. Alright? So with Max it is used soll. Was soll Max mitbringen? What should Max bring with him? Okay. Now, as you can see, it is an informal letter because you have to write your friend, and name is also stated here. That is Max. So how can you start? I always recommend my students to start your letter with this line because it will give a good impression to the examiner. Okay, that you know how to greet. Okay, informal greeting also informal greeting. So lieber Max, because Max is a man. All right. So you will always add R at the end. So lieber Max, ich hoffe, es geht dir gut. Dir gut because it is an informal letter. Now, what you can do, you can see wann und wo ist die Party. So you should answer this in your first one or two line. Okay. So am kommenden Wochenende habe ich eine Geburtstagsparty. So you have given the answer of one. Okay, one. So where? Coming weekend. Am kommenden Wochenende habe ich. Whenever you use this sort of words in your sentence, so this changes. It won't be ich habe, it will be habe ich. But if you remove this part, then it will become Ich habe eine Geburtstagsparty am Wochenende. Okay, you can do it like this. But I want to show the examiner that I have learned German very well and I know about this. So how I have started? Am kommenden Wochenende habe ich eine Geburtstagsparty. On coming weekend, I have a birthday party. Die Party findet um 18 Uhr in meinem Garten statt. So statt findet. This is a verb that is a Trenwaren verb, a separable verb that is being used over here. So start findet. Start findet. So die Party findet. The party will take place at 18 o'clock in meinem Garten statt. You should know that the article of Garten is der. Der Garten, okay? And you know that in is a dative preposition, right? So with in we always use dem, der, dem, right? Dem, der, dem. If you see the table of dative, it is like this: dem, der, dem. So we know that the article of Garten is der. So within what we will use dem, okay? Because there is a in, so this will change. Meinem Garten statt. Es gibt Salat und Orangensaft zum Essen und Trinken. So question 2, what is there to eat or to drink? So there is oder Salat und Orangensaft, salad and orange juice to eat and to drink. Kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? Can you please? Canst du? You have used to the informal form again because this is an informal letter you're writing to your friend. So kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? Kuchen is cake. Okay, so it's der Kuchen. Der Kuchen is cake. Kannst du bitte einen Kuchen mitbringen? You can change it like this. Kannst du bitte einen Keks mitbringen? That will be cookie. Okay. Kannst du bitte einen Saft mitbringen? Okay, Saft. It can be any Saft. You can change it to einen Apfelsaft mitbringen. It's up to you, whatever you want to choose. Viele Grüße und bis bald. Abitse. You will write your entire name over here. Many greetings and see you soon. Bis bald. So this is your letter. Okay, the first letter. Now we have the second one. Du hast einen Termin beim Arzt. Arzt is a doctor, right? It's a male doctor. Der Arzt. Let me write it here. Der Arzt. Okay, so it's a doctor in German. All right. So you have to write. Du hast einen Termin beim Arzt. You have an appointment. Okay, at the doctor. Aber is but. Aber du kannst nicht kommen. But you cannot come. Kommen to come. Schreib eine E-Mail. Warum kannst du nicht kommen? Why? Why can you not come? Okay, what is the reason? Maybe you're sick, or maybe you have another important appointment. All right. So one kannst du. When can you come? One kannst du. Bitte eine Antwort. Ask. Please ask for an answer. Okay, because it's a letter that you're writing to a doctor, so you should know it's a formal setting. Whenever you write to a doctor, it's not something informal. It's formal situation. So how will you use? You will use sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Okay, sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Ich hoffe, es geht Ihnen gut. Okay, when there is formal setting, you will always use Ihnen. Ich hoffe, es geht Ihnen gut. Am Mittwoch, just like that, before I said am kommenden Wochenende habe ich. So it's like this. If you want to use this one, am Mittwoch habe ich eine Prüfung. So what was the first question? Why can you not come? So am Mittwoch, on Wednesday, I have eine Prüfung exam und ich kann nicht zum Termin kommen. On Wednesday, I have an exam and I cannot come to the termin. Okay, because kommen is coming at the end, because here is a modal verb kann, that is können, ich kann. You must have learned that whenever you use modal verb, the verb goes at the end. Okay, and it is not conjugated. And I have used and I have made and have joined two sentences together with und. Okay, so und. You can also omit ish over here, but it is also okay if you add. So und ich kann nicht zum Termin kommen. Zum Termin, because you also know zu is a dative article and termin's article is der Termin. Okay, and we have learned that in the table in dative it's dem, der, dem. So 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 what will be the masculine? Der. Okay. There is the article for termin, so it will be dem termin. Okay, so zum. I have joined it. Okay, zu dem Termin. I have joined it. It will be zum. Termin kommen. Ich habe am Donnerstag frei. I have I'm free on Thursday. So wann kannst du? Ich habe am Donnerstag frei. Können Sie mir bitte einen neuen Termin für Donnerstag um 50 Uhr geben? Okay? So now you're requesting him that can you please, können Sie mir bitte einen neuen Termin? Can you please give me a new appointment for Thursday at is at 15 o'clock geben again because modal verb is used over here, so it will be geben. Okay, the verb will go at the end. Now it is a very good line, and I recommend all of the students who are planning to give A1 exam to memorize this line. Ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. Okay, whenever you're writing to any company and asking for any sort of information, and you really want to ask, and you're waiting for the answer, so you can write that ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. I will wait for your answer, just like that. And if it's informal situations, you can say deine Antwort. Ich freue mich auf deine Antwort instead of ihre Antwort. Since it is a formal situation, so we have used ihre. So mit freundlichen Grüßen, bitte. Mit freundlichen Grüßen. This is the ending for formal settings. Now the next letter we have is du kannst nicht zur Party deiner Freundin kommen. Du kannst, you cannot go, kommen, okay, to go. You cannot kommen, you cannot go to the party deiner Freundin. Schreiben über, warum kannst du nicht kommen? Why can you not come? Was machst du? What are you doing? And Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung means apology. You have to apologize. Apology. So for apology, you can use es tut mir leid, es tut mir wirklich leid. That means I am really sorry. Es tut mir leid is I am sorry. Es tut mir wirklich leid, I am really sorry, because wirklich is really. Ich hoffe, es geht dir gut. Again, because you're writing to your friend, so it is informal situation. That is why you have used dear here. I'm really sorry. Am Samstag muss ich mit meiner Mutter zum Arzt gehen. So what is the reason why can't you come? So on Saturday, muss ich, that means I must. I must. This is again modal verb. Muss ich mit meiner Mutter, with my mother, to the doctor gehen? I want I must go to the doctor with my mother. Und ich kann nicht zur Party kommen. And I cannot to the party come. Kann ich dich bitte nächste Woche um 18 Uhr besuchen? So now you have to be a little bit creative in order to show the examiner that you know German A1 level. So because you're refusing to go to the party, and you must you're planning to go to the doctor with your mother, so you're also sorry about it, but you're also making efforts by saying that can I visit you next week at 18 o'clock? Okay. So viele Grüße und bis bald. Many greetings and see you soon. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from these three letters. If you find these three letters helpful, please let me know in the comment section. And if you want to make such videos more, then I'll be happy to know that also in the comment section. Till then, Allah Hafiz.